Today, I'm going to show you one of the most useful tricks for connecting your documentation and your workflow: how to link Jira issues directly into your Confluence pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to display Jira tickets on your Confluence pages, giving your team a real-time view of project progress, tasks, and statuses without switching tools. This simple integration goes a long way to making your documentation dynamic and actionable, so let's get right into it. Alright, the whole process starts with displaying a single Jira issue right where you need it in your Confluence page. The great news is that Confluence makes this way simpler than you might expect. There's no need for complex macros or coding, just a few steps. First, you'll want to grab the link to your Jira issue. Head over to your Jira board or project and locate the ticket you'd like to showcase. You can use any issue. Maybe it's a bug the team is fixing, a new feature that's in development, or a customer request you're tracking. At the top of the issue page, you'll see the URL in your browser's address bar. This might look something like your instance, so Atlassian.net followed by some issue details. Go ahead and copy that URL. Just highlight it and hit copy. It's a tiny step, but accuracy matters here. The specific issue URL ensures you're linking exactly what you intend. Next, you'll move over to your Confluence space and open up the page you want to edit. Maybe it's a weekly status update, a product requirements document, or a release notes page. Hit the Edit button to open the editor mode. This is where the magic happens. Now, pick the spot on your page that fits the context of your Jira issue. If you're highlighting bugs, maybe under a Known Issues section. If it's a feature, perhaps beside a summary table. Once you've found your spot, simply paste the Jira issue URL. Trust me, I know this sounds so simple, but Confluence is built to recognize and work with these links. As soon as you paste it in, pause for a brief moment. Confluence will automatically detect that this is a Jira issue link and convert it right away into what's called a smart link. You'll notice the plain URL will transform visually, showing off the Jira issue's ID, current status, like to do, in progress, or done, and a short summary of the issue itself. This live preview not only saves readers the hassle of clicking through, it gives your page an up-to-date snapshot of what that ticket is all about. If you've never used smart links before, think of them as little windows into your project management world right inside your documentation. They're interactive. Users can click through for more details, but at a glance, everyone can stay informed on where things stand. And if you're worried about formatting, don't be. These smart links work smoothly within tables, bullet points, or just stand alone in the text. You often don't need to tweak anything, but if you want to provide extra context, feel free to add a note above or below your smart link explaining why you're highlighting this issue. Now, of course, this process might take a few moments if you're grabbing and pasting several tickets, so take it step by step. Don't worry if it feels almost too easy. That's the beauty of Confluence's integration with Jira. Once you save or publish your page, everything comes together. The smart links update as the issues update in Jira, meaning your Confluence page will always reflect the latest info without any extra work. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can transform your documentation from static notes into dynamic, connected project hubs. If this tutorial helped, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips to level up your Confluence and Jira game. Got questions or want to see more advanced linking techniques? Drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.